The way we capture images is constantly changing. It's making content creation more diverse and approachable than it's ever been before. Projects that could only be accomplished by large studios and huge budgets are now possible for anyone with a dream and the dedication to chase it. We think it's about time for lighting to redefine itself and evolve as well. NanLite designs lighting products that provide image makers with new possibilities and pushes them to expand their creative horizons as we dedicate ourselves to expand ours as well. We listen to our customers, focus on design details, and enhance the creator's experience. We hold ourselves to the highest standards in manufacturing and design in hopes that the lights we produce will ignite new ideas for image making. Our long history has taught us how to carefully select our materials, continually improve our manufacturing, and maintain strict quality control. That's important to us. NanLite also believes that the value of our lights is not just in the light itself. It's more about helping creatives realize their vision. We hope that with our lighting, a creator's only limitation will be their own imagination.